Oatmeal, a humble breakfast staple that has been enjoyed by many for centuries, is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, oatmeal offers a wide range of health benefits when consumed on a daily basis. One of the key benefits of eating oatmeal every day is its high fiber content. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Oatmeal is particularly high in soluble fiber, which has been shown to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. By including oatmeal in your daily diet, you can help keep your heart healthy and reduce your risk of developing cardiovascular problems. In addition to its fiber content, oatmeal is also a good source of vitamins and minerals. It is rich in B vitamins, which are important for energy production and brain function. Oatmeal also contains minerals such as iron, magnesium, and zinc, which play a crucial role in various bodily functions. By eating oatmeal every day, you can ensure that your body is getting the essential nutrients it needs to function properly. Another benefit of oatmeal is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Oatmeal has a low glycemic index, which means that it is digested slowly and does not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those who are trying to manage their weight. By eating oatmeal for breakfast, you can help stabilize your blood sugar levels throughout the day and avoid the energy crashes that can come from consuming high-sugar foods. Furthermore, oatmeal is a versatile food that can be easily customized to suit your taste preferences. Whether you prefer it sweet or savory, oatmeal can be paired with a variety of toppings and mix-ins to create a delicious and satisfying meal. From fresh fruit and nuts to cinnamon and honey, the possibilities are endless when it comes to oatmeal toppings. By experimenting with different flavor combinations, you can keep your breakfast routine interesting and enjoyable. In addition to its health benefits, oatmeal is also a budget-friendly option for those looking to eat well on a budget. Oatmeal is an affordable and widely available food that can be purchased in bulk and stored for long periods of time. This makes it a convenient option for individuals and families who are looking to save money on groceries without sacrificing nutrition. By incorporating oatmeal into your meal planning, you can enjoy a healthy and satisfying breakfast without breaking the bank. Overall, the benefits of eating oatmeal every day are numerous and varied. From its high fiber content to its ability to regulate blood sugar levels, oatmeal is a nutritious and delicious food that can support your overall health and well-being. By making oatmeal a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy the many benefits that this versatile grain has to offer. So why not start your day off right with a bowl of warm and comforting oatmeal? Your body will thank you for it.